In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a folder in Google Drive. Sharing folders is a fantastic way to collaborate and manage documents with others, whether you're working with classmates, colleagues, or friends. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the tools you need to seamlessly share files with just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you are comfortable with. In the search bar, type in Google Drive and hit Enter. You'll want to look for the link that either says Google Drive or has the URL Drive, google.com/drive quota. Clicking this will direct you to Google Drive's homepage. Once you're on the Drive page, it's time to log in. Use your Google account credentials to sign in if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, you'll see your Drive filled with all your files and folders. Find the folder that you wish to share. Hover your mouse over this folder and right-click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and in this menu, you'll want to select the Share option. By doing this, Google Drive will open up a new window called Share with Others. In this window, enter the email addresses or Google groups you wish to share the folder with. You can enter multiple email addresses if you're planning to share the folder with several people. Make sure the email addresses are correct to prevent sending access to unintended recipients. Once you've input the email addresses, it's time to assign roles. Google Drive offers 3 different roles: Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. A viewer can see the files, but not make any changes. A commenter can view and add comments to the files. An editor, however, can make changes to the files within the folder. Carefully choose the right role for each person based on the level of access you want them to have. Before you proceed, you'll see an option to notify people. Keep this box checked if you want those you're sharing with to receive an email notification about the shared folder. This notification is especially useful because it contains the link and details on how they can access the folder. Finally, when everything looks good, click Send. Doing this will trigger sharing the folder with everyone you added, along with any permissions you've assigned to them. And that's it. You've successfully shared a folder on Google Drive. Using these simple steps, sharing documents and collaborating with others becomes a breeze. This is a powerful feature to streamline your workflow and is extremely handy whether you're managing projects or just sharing some holiday photos with family. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Google Drive experience smoother and more productive.